December 1st, 2009. Chris Raines calls 911 after shooting his daughter in the head.
Absolutely, I guess. 328 General Chanel. Ma'am, I have to tell you something.
What's going on?
I just killed my daughter.
You what?
I just killed my daughter.
What happened?
I was angry at my ex-girlfriend and I shot my baby in the face.
How old is your daughter?
She's 9 months. I did it because my ex-girlfriend doesn't want me anymore.
Stay on the line with me, okay? You shot the baby?
I shot her in the back of the head. Huh?
Stay on the line with me, okay?
All right.
Where's the weapon at right now?
I don't know if I'm probably going to kill myself right now.
No, don't do that, ma'am. Where's the gun right now?
I'm going to go to prison for life. I'm not going to do that.
No, don't do that, okay?
I can't. No, I'm not going to.
Don't do that, ma'am, okay?
No, I'm
Stay on the line with me. Stay on the line.
I'm not a ma'am.
So stay on the line with me, okay?
The cops are coming?
Yes, they're going to come. Where's the weapon right now? I need to know, where is that weapon?
It's on the ground. It's in my hand.
Okay. What kind of gun is it?
It's a 45, a 1911 45. My girlfriend is screaming. My ex-girlfriend is screaming. I just shot my baby. I just shot my baby.
Why did you shoot the baby?
Because I didn't want her to move on with another man without me. To another man without me. I can't do that. And so I killed my daughter, and it's the biggest regret I've ever felt and done in my whole life.
Was someone going to take the baby from her?
No. I just didn't want her to have happiness if I couldn't have it with her. Ma'am, I think I'm insane, ma'am.
Where's the baby at right now?
She's laying on the ground at her mom's house. Please hurry, I don't want her mom to come home and see this.
Okay, we're on our way. What is your name?
My name is Chris Raines.
What's your last name, Chris?
R-A-I-N-S.
What phone number are you calling me from, Chris?
My cell phone is 3-9.
How old are you? How old are you, Chris?
I'm 22 years old and I'm going to go to prison for the rest of my life, aren't I?
I don't know. Just stay on the line with me and keep talking to me, okay?
I'm probably going to kill myself by the time I get here.
Let's not do that, okay?
But it's the only way. I don't want to go to prison, ma'am.
Okay, Chris, I need you to stay on the line with me, okay?
I don't want to go to prison. I don't want to go to prison. I'm not going to prison. I will not do it.
Okay, just keep talking to me.
I'm probably just going to shoot myself right now. I'm so serious.
No, don't do that, Chris. You don't want to scare your girlfriend. Let's not do that, okay?
I'm going to shoot myself.
No, let's not do that. Just keep talking to me, Chris, okay?
I'm probably going to just go do it in this other room. I don't want my girlfriend.
No, Chris, just keep me on the line, okay?
Okay. Why?
Don't go to any of the rooms. Just stay where you are, okay?
Why?
Because we don't want you to hurt yourself as well.
But what if I do?
Let's not. Just stay talking to me, okay?
Okay.
Is your baby breathing?
No, she is dead. She is dead. She is not moving. There's a hole in her face. Oh, I don't actually. I'm going to go forever.
What led to this?
I don't know. It's too complicated to explain, ma'am.
Where's the gun at now? Do you still have the gun?
Yeah, it's in my hand. There's still 7 rounds left.
Still 7 rounds left?
Inside the clip, yes. Now I'm going to prison.
It's still in your hands, correct?
Yes, I don't want to go to prison.
Is there somewhere you can put the gun?
I don't want to put it down. I want to shoot myself with it.
Okay, let's not do that, okay?
I have to do this now. I can't live with myself.
No, don't do that, okay? Just keep talking to me.
I'm gonna hang up, okay?
No, don't hang up on me, Chris.
Why?
Just stay talking to me.
I wanna hang up so
No,
bad,
Chris, don't
please.
hang up on me. Just stay on the line with me.
I don't wanna be alive, man. I'm gonna go to prison forever. I don't wanna
Stay on the line with me. Don't hang up.
Albuquerque, New Mexico. Ashley Trujillo, 18, and 22-year-old Christopher Rains were in a relationship for 2 years. They were texting back and forth for most of the day, arguing. When they got to Ashley's mother's house, she told Chris that she wanted to end the relationship. He thought it was because she was having a relationship with another man. He then grabbed their 9-month-old daughter, Trinity, and pointed a .45 caliber gun to the back of her head and shot her. He dropped her little body on the floor, looked at Ashley, and asked her, "Was it worth it?" Ashley said that it wasn't the first time that he pointed a gun at Trinity making threats, but she never reported it. She said she will regret that for the rest of her life. He was attacked after his felony appearance by another inmate named Eric Salazar. He was then removed from the rest of the inmates and put in a cell alone. He was also put on suicide watch. Chris admitted to the police that he held a gun to Trinity's head before. He pled guilty to child abuse resulting in death. He was going to face first-degree murder charges, but they changed it, saying both sentences have the same prison time of 30 years minimum. "I know what I did was rottenly horrible. I have no excuse," Rain said in court. "There isn't a day that goes by I don't think about this. I deserve way more than I got today. I know." When they removed him from court, a reporter asked him, "Was it worth it?" using the phrase he asked Ashley after murdering their daughter. Chris hung his head down and said no. He was sentenced to 36 years. Ashley now speaks out against domestic violence and plans to help other victims, she said. "We as people cannot judge other people. We make mistakes too. Get help right away as soon as you can. There's more than one way out other than trying to go through it by yourself. With anyone going through it, I hope they find help before it's too late."